Alright, well I just got that, took that off and removed this here bad gear. I mean, look at that. The spin pawl don't look like it's too bad a shake. This piece right here was just laying there like that. And I took that. It was just laying there like that. That's the piece that goes on the bottom, right up underneath there. That's a pretty pitiful looking gear, paw. Just as smooth. There ain't any oil in here either. But I think everything else is working, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it up. Alright, so what I've did so far is I've taken the old gear. Look at that. Smooth as a baby's butt. I had another gear laying around. I put that on there, and it held on with the snap-on pliers, snap ring. Now I gotta go round up some grease and put in it 90 weight gear oil. Fill it up to the top, and then we'll put some silicone around here, and then put the cover back on it. You want to make sure it's nice and sealed, and then kind of, that doesn't belong there. This little piece here, little plastic piece, very important piece. It fits right up into the clutch, just like that there. Alright, so we're gonna get some good grease and put it in there. We're gonna seal it up good, and then the next thing you do is just take and you put this on there like that, and then it's got a little retainer that holds it in place, and then you clip this dude. Once you get that down, you slide that dude in there, and then you cover it up with that. Then you got a transmission fixed. So I'll let y'all see it when I get it all back together.